everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lysha from Lysha Be Creative, and today is a bonus video for this week to talk about an amazing deal from Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica is offering the most gorgeous font that all of us know, and that is the Samantha font. So the Samantha font is a beautiful script font that is just gorgeous for wedding invitations, that beautiful just script writing that really just puts a very classy look to any wording that you're putting on any sort of project. So Creative Fabrica is going to be offering the Samantha font for $9 this week only, and only through April 15th. So this font is normally $79, and you guys are going to be able to get it for $9 with the link and code that is in the description box of this video. So not only are you getting the font, but you are also getting 2,700 other pieces of part of this font bundle. So that includes the uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, different swashes and glyphs that you can use in all of your design elements when you're creating your crafts. So along with purchasing the $9 Samantha font, you will also get a free month membership to Creative Fabrica, where you can get anything and everything under the sun, which includes a commercial license for any of the projects that you pick up to use for any of your crafts. So I typically like to use Creative Fabrica for different fonts, as well as different water slide images, and literally anything and everything under the sun you can think of, I guarantee you that Creative Fabrica has. So this is a limited offer time deal, so definitely make sure that you jump on this offer. Again, it will only be available until April 15th, 2022, so you definitely do not want to wait. And of course, should you choose to purchase the font and get your free month membership, you can cancel your membership at any point in time. You are not obligated to keep up with your membership. So again, you could cancel at any point in time throughout your membership with Creative Fabrica. So I want to show you a little bit about what the Samantha font looks like. So let's go ahead and skip right to that. So I want to show you what the Samantha font looks like. So I am on creativefabrica.com, and we are going to take a look at the Samantha font. So once I've logged in, I'm going to go right to the search bar, and I'm going to type in Samantha. And so it is the first font that comes up. This is the Samantha upright font. And again, you are getting so many different pieces of this font that I just think are absolutely beautiful. So of course you get the font that you can immediately download after you've purchased. It does include a commercial license, which I think is amazing. So that means you can add it to all of your projects. And so I want to flip through the different slides and pictures here that they show on the font page that just shows you the different styles that you can create using the different glyphs and things in this font. So again, you're not only just getting your upper and lowercase letters, you're getting all of the numbers, you're getting all the different swashes and glyphs, and that's over 2,700 characters, which is absolutely amazing and probably one of the largest font bundles that I've ever seen. Additionally, with this, you also get this bonus download guide. And so this bonus download guide is literally a user guide to show you exactly how you can use the Samantha upright font. So again, with over 2,700 characters, it's obviously a lot to choose from, and I love that this will give you kind of step-by-step directions on how to get to the swashes and glyphs, as well as show you the different combinations that you can create to get that elegant piece and wording that you're looking for your next project. So again, a perfect addition to this font bundle and a great resource to use when you're creating your crafts using the Samantha font. So again, this is a font that is now $9 and is normally $79, so it definitely is a deal you're going to want to jump on. So not only is this a font that you can be using in Cricut or Silhouette, but you also can use this in Procreate. So I have downloaded the Samantha font and I've pulled it into Procreate, where I like to do a lot of my design work. So it is super easy and simple to use. And so I wanted to show you that as an alternative to being able to use it for your Cricut or Silhouette, in case you are also a Procreate user. And so the last piece I wanted to show you is literally the Samantha font in action. So I pulled this into Cricut Design Space and used the character map tool in order to get the different swashes and glyphs that I was looking for. And so I figured that I would complete the tumbler that I had been working on in my Facebook group, this beautiful sunflower burst tumbler, with of course a beautiful addition to it in the Samantha font, the word wildflower. So this I pulled into Cricut Design Space, as I mentioned, and was able to add the swashes and glyphs for both the W and the R. And again, it comes with so many different selections, 2,700 to be exact, and that is a lot to choose from. But again, that user guide makes it so easy to be able to go through the different font styles and different elegant ways that you can be using the Samantha font. So I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. I know it is a super quick one, but I wanted to show you a great way to be using the Samantha font and how much I do enjoy using Creative Fabrica. Definitely make sure you check out that link. Even if you don't choose to purchase the Samantha font, definitely check out Creative Fabrica. They have some absolutely amazing things on there and a lot of different things to choose from. So whether you're looking for fonts, whether you're looking for images to use for your next Tumblr creation, or whatever craft you're working on, I am sure you will find it at Creative Fabrica.